Hi, year 5. Okay, today we will talk about, or we will make comparison between ancient beliefs and today's knowledge about our solar system. Okay, ancient people used to think that the earth was a large cube, and if you walked toward the horizon, you would eventually fall off from the earth into the space and lost into the space. Okay, although much has been learned about our solar system after invention of telescope, there are still many mysteries about it. Every day, new discoveries about our solar system are being made. These discoveries have changed some ancient beliefs or ancient thoughts about the solar system and outer space into today's knowledge. Okay? The table in front of you compares, between ancient beliefs about the solar system or ancient thoughts before invention of telescope and today's knowledge about the solar system after invention the telescope and using space shuttle to discover outer space. Number 1. Ancient people in ancient time thought that the earth is a flat disk floating on a water. Okay? This is believed before the invention of telescope. After the invention of telescope and using more observation, the man discovered that the earth is not a flat disk, but it's a sphere. Okay? Number 2. Earth in ancient time, the people thought that Earth is very important body in our space, and it located at the center of the solar system, and everything revolves around it. Okay, and this is thought known as heliocentric model, and many scientists in ancient time made models to explain heliocentric models that tell us the earth is at the center of the solar system and everything rotates around it. But after invention of telescope and use calculation, astronomers know that the sun is at the center of the solar system, not earth, and all components of the solar system rotate and revolve around it. Okay? Number 3. The moon is able to give out light or give off or release or emit light. Okay? Because moon appears a shining body or appear brilliant body in the sky, while in fact after the visiting of man to the moon is considered a dark body made of rocks, but appears bright in the sky because it reflects the sunlight, but moon doesn't give out or give off light. Number 4. The ancient people thought also the sun is a solid piece of matter. But after the invention of solar telescope, the scientists discovered the sun is a ball of burning gases, composed of hydrogen and helium, Also, number 5, in ancient time or ancient beliefs, stars only appear at night and disappear at daytime, But after studying the stars and exploring the space, the stars are found in the sky both at day and night, But we can't see the stars during daytime because the sun makes our sky so bright that we can't see the much dimmer stars. So, we have very important astronomers, ancient astronomers play an important role in astronomy, science, or branch of the science called astronomy. These astronomers include Aristotle, the Greek scientist Galileo, the Italian scientist, and Nicolaus Copernicus, the Polish scientist. Okay? They have had a big influence in our ideas about the space. Let's start with Aristotle. Aristotle, okay? In ancient Greece, Aristotle is considered a Greek philosopher and Greek astronomers, okay? In ancient time, before the invention of telescope, people believed that Earth was flat. But the Greek philosopher Aristotle believed that the Earth wasn't flat, but it's a sphere, okay? How did he know? He used the observation of astronomical phenomena called lunar eclipse, okay? And used this phenomena to be evidence to support his theory, okay? Because during lunar eclipse, the Earth comes between Sun and the Moon, okay? And the Earth, because Earth is an opaque object, it casts its shadow on the Moon, okay? So by studying the shadow of the Earth, Aristotle noted that the shadow of the Earth is curved, and this proves the Earth was a sphere, not flat. The second astronomer is Nicolaus Copernicus. Nicolaus Copernicus, a Polish astronomer, okay, has been commonly referred to as a father of modern astronomy, okay, because he was the first one to propose that the Earth orbits around the Sun, okay, not vice versa. And he also stated the Sun located at the center of the solar system, and also he could arrange the non-planet in this time by right way. After Copernicus, we have very important Italian astronomers known as Galileo. Galileo invented his own telescope and used it to studying the object in the space, okay? His observations support Copernicus' theory about the Sun being at the center of the solar system, okay? This is Galileo, an Italian scientist, okay? And this is his telescope, Galileo's telescope, okay? That used it in studying the object in outer space, okay? And to prove that the Sun located at the center of the solar system and everything rotates around the Sun. Thank you. Thank you, year 5.